How to change mobile number in Amazon account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change the mobile number on Amazon account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change the mobile number in Amazon account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping application here. Once you launch the Amazon shopping app, just tap the account icon that you can find right from here. Once you tap the account icon that you can find from here, what you want to do is go to this option known as your account, which you can find from the very top. Once you find the your account option over here, you'll find this account settings, and under this you'll be able to find this option known as login and security. So just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on login and security, what you will have to do is right over here you'll be able to find this option called primary mobile number, and all you have to do is, if you have a mobile number, you'll be able to find this edit option over here. So all you have to do is just tap this edit option, but if you have not yet added it, you'll be able to find this add button. So all you have to do is just tap on this add option. Once you tap this add option over here, you'll be able to simply enter the new number that you want to change to. So enter the new number and then just make sure to enter the OTP code, and then you'll be able to change your mobile number. And that's all it takes to change your Amazon account mobile number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.